This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Randy and Beth Middleton. Welcome home. Get ready to fall in love with this 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home in the highly sought-after and desirable Village of Woodland Hills. Eye-catching curb appeal, long driveway, immaculate and lovingly maintained, open and airy with views of the screen-enclosed lanai and fully fenced private yard from living areas and owner's suite. This is a great home for fun and entertaining. Spacious and split floor plan includes vaulted ceilings, formal living and dining room, and wet bar. Kitchen, with pantry, features newer granite counters, undermount sink, stainless steel appliances and opens to and overlooks the charming breakfast nook with bay window and the family room with access to the great outdoors. Light and bright, the owner's suite is complete with vaulted ceiling, walk-in closet, arched doorway, vanity with sink, step-in shower and sliders opening to the screen-enclosed, covered lanai. Secondary bedrooms on opposite side are separated by full bathroom. Inside laundry room with shelving, utility sink hookup, and space for full-size washer and dryer. Enjoy relaxing or entertaining on the large screen-enclosed and covered lanai overlooking the huge backyard with newer privacy fence and plenty of room for a pool and spa. Woodland Hills is a unique and inviting community with tree-lined streets, community pool, playground, picnic area, lighted tennis courts with back gate entrance to Highland Lakes Elementary, and is conveniently located close to sought-after neighborhood schools, shopping, dining, and beaches. Don't let this perfect gem slip away. For more information, review the details below.